Afternoon! Welcome to my channel. Andito ako ngayon sa Ocean Park, baby. Mga kaloto dyan, welcome to my channel. Hello! Dito ako ngayon. What's up, what's up? Hi! Welcome to my channel. Nandito ako ngayon sa Ocean Park, Manila. How many years o ilang taon ako baon na dito para gumala at umaw. Dito ako ngayon. Konti lang ngayon. Today is Monday, February 10. Ayan o. Kunti lang ang tao. Buy a ticket. Ayan sila. Ayan. Ocean Park, Manila. Yes! Yes, yes, yes. Don't forget to like and share my YouTube channel. Samantha Angie. Pasukin natin at hindi tayo ng ticket. Let's go! Ticket, buy a ticket. Daming tao. Kano kayo ticket? Pila. Here we go! May ticket na ako. Kaya yung Philippine Bondang. Pasukin natin naman. Walang tao. Let's go. Excited na. Pasukin natin. Ocean. Welcome. Welcome po. Nakapasok na ako. Souvenir. 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 Pasukin na natin. Welcome to Ocean Park. Ocean Park. Okay, baby. Ocean Park, let's go. Ocean Park. Let's go. Ocean Park. Sana. Okay na. Ano yan? Picture. Free ba yan?
Optional lang kung pwedeng kunin pa yun.
Free?
Okay.
Optional, ma'am. Kung gusto niyo pong kunin or hindi.
Ganon. Kung kukunin, magkano?
Sa taas po yung ano.
Okay. Thank you. Let's go. Siren. The Ocean Park. Uy. Tara na. Welcome to Ocean Park. Wow, amazing. Parang nasa ibang bansa ako. Asa na si Nemo? Uy, bakit may ano dito? Tilapia. Sarap ng tilapia, charot. Galing, no? Wow, amazing. Para ako nasa ibang bansa na. Oh. Oh, ang cute niya. Parang ang sarap lumako siya. Si Cupish. Si Cupish. Hello, Cupish. Si Cupish. Cupish. Thank you. Cupish. Here we go. Ayun.
I see dreams of red and blue. I see red.
Oh yeah, Nemo, I'm looking for you. Reagan, read that. Seahorse. Mga anak na yan. Seahorse. Pwede pa rin. Kayo malaki din mo. Ayun na, ang laki isda.
Majimbo, picture kayo dito. Napapasok na tayo doon. Majimbo. Bilisan mo. Picture kayo. Ayusin nyo yun. Smile. Iba dito. Kaya wait ka. Meron pa dito.
Ano pag binarang niyo to, patay. Ayun yung pinakalaki. Ayun yung ano. Ayun yung nanaga, diba?
Baba ka sa baba.
Hindi na. Diba nakatago, be?
Isa. Baba ka na dyan.
Mama, nakatago. Picture.
Naman, Majimbo.
Ay,
Picture.
picture.
Majimbo, picture.
Milkfish! Ang cute ni Milkfish! Si Milkfish, para siyang bangus. Ayan, ang cute. Milkfish. Milkfish. Chanos. Ang cute, parang bangus. Milkfish. Ang cute. Milkfish.
Masakit.
Hindi, masarap. Dali ka, Bi. Okay nga, ibawan mo. Hindi, babad mo. Okay lang yan. Parang inalikan ka lang.
Tao.
Oh, shit. I love you. Where's the fish? Ganda dito. Maliliit. Ang cute.
Wow, what a beautiful entrance! Good day, everyone, and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, I'm trainer first, and I would like to meet my friends together with the trainers one at a time. On your left side, say hi! While on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lions that we have. And according to her trainer, she is the sexiest. Oh, don't be shy, girl. Her name is Sandra. Together with trainer JB, say hello. Now, let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they're called fin or feathers for in marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, that sky fools and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Well, check this out. Surely strong front flippers. Now, let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Isis, the prettiest. Sea lions generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour, rather for steering. And that is the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you, Isis and trainer Jerry. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to... Ready, Sandra? 25 miles per hour! That is so fast! I want a round of applause for Sandra! That's sexy, yes! Wow, nice dive, girl! And another one! She deserves it! Now, here's an interesting story about the sea lion. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part in their special operations? Yup, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even water mines. Alright, ladies, trainers, are you ready? Well then, salute! Now, let's march. Ready? Up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, salute! Now, this time, could you please join our sea lion in a salute? In a count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one loud. Alright guys, are you ready? Hey guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready? Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3, salute everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the... And they got it! How about a round of applause for Isis and Sandra? Great job, ladies! And another one! They asking for it! So trainers, what next? The ball. How do you think they get the balls? It's a ball balance! Careful, ladies, almost there. Careful. Steady it. Fantastic! I want a round of applause for Sea Lion Grant. Excellent work, ladies. Now, this time, would you love to see a dance number from our Sea Lion friends? We hope you all enjoy.
Okay, niya. Tapos na po, Sea Lion Show. Ay, tapos na. Madlang people, welcome to my channel, Samantha Review. Hello mga kalutlo. Don't forget to like and share the YouTube channel. Bye! Mission complete. Ayan.